Let's make the original Sol Cubano. The original recipe calls for this drink to be made in the glass, and that's what I'm going to do. The glass it specified was a goblet. However, I don't have any goblets. I have what are called tulip glasses, which are close enough. I've also seen them made in Collins glasses, so if you want to give that a go, feel free to do so. The first thing I'm going to do is add my rum. 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of your white rum. And this isn't the whitest rum I have, but it's going to work. Next, 2 ounces of grapefruit juice. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add some ice. Perfect. And top it off with 2 ounces of tonic water. I usually don't measure. In this case, I'm going to. I usually just top it off. Give it a little stir. Garnish. The garnish is a grapefruit wheel, or grapefruit slice, and they put it over the top of the glass like a little hat. Personally, I think this is a little silly, but this is what I'm told to do, so I'm going to do it for now. There are probably better ways to use this garnish. And you put the straw through the grapefruit wheel with a little sprig of mint. And there you have it. Let's see if I can get the straw in my direction. A Sol Cubano. Drink with good spirits.